Ralph here once again, and let me show you a couple of down and dirty cheats that I tend to use when basically working with Panda data frames. I.e., here for example, we have a large, or I should say a good number of columns in the COVID tracking data information. Now a lot of these columns, for example, are no longer needed. They are basically defunct. So as we go down the line here, you can see all these are probably not required anymore, or they're not utilized anymore. And you probably don't need the hash there as well. So basically what I do is very simply is I create a second data frame. This one's data frame 1. I'll print out the columns. Now obviously the columns come out of the list, so it's real easy. I will simply create a new data frame. That's important. This will be data frame 2. So I just basically extrapolate the information that I need, or I should say the columns, and I'll make myself a new list for the columns themselves. And then from there, just to show you how it works, I'll just run it again. Now, all the other columns, I didn't do drop columns or anything like that, or delete or pop. So now I have a new data frame 2. But however, though, look at the information. You have hospitalized currently here, hospitalized, and hospitalized increase. You have like death here, death increase there, positive here, positive increase there. Now, by using the Panda data frame insert method, it has a couple of unique functions. One is we're in effect moving the column, but two, at the same time, renaming the column to something a little bit more legible. I.e., for example, here's our data frame, all right, but here's positive increase, which is what we're going to name the column, and the value we're going to use from data frame 1, which we didn't mess with. So we're going to take data frame 1 positive increase, and that's going to be the information, or basically the values added to the column we're about to create. And the first number here is the index position. 0, 1, 2, 3, which will be right here. 0, 1, 2, 3. So I hope you see that. So each index position is just like finding the location in a list. But this insert method really makes it easy. Ready? Here we go. We are going to create our new data frame. And there it is. If you look at the information, now the positive increase is the positive increase there moved over. Now you're going to go, all right, now what do I do with this? Well, yeah, you can do pop and delete or whatever, and or drop. But you know what? I find it a little easier to do this way. Again, I'll take the positive increase. You can see exactly where I'm going with it. I will delete that. I will take the hospitalized increase, the death increase, delete that. And what do we got here? Boom. And let's get that done there. Obviously, we're missing. There it is. Got it. All right. So there we are. And now we just hit it again. And we have a new data frame. There it is. Positive increase, hospitalized currently, hospitalized increase, death increase. It makes a lot more sense and it's easier to read. We could even, if you want to, delete the hospitalized aspect, which probably don't need that one right now for the data frame I'm creating. One more time. And there it is. A lot easier to read data frame, simply created rapidly with cut and copy and paste, and obviously the rest is just deleting, manually. Again, without having to do any delete code. Ralph signing off once again. Hope you enjoy. I'll post the code on YouTube, and you can explore it that way. And you may have a better method, but this is the way I do it. Catch you all in a bit.